Let me show you how you can easily comment a segment for a video on Croc.io. Simple means when you open up a video, I'm going to open up this video right here, and you want to, let's say remove this part. You can do a frame or remove a frame or add a comment on a particular frame or segment. This is how you actually do it. You basically open a video, of course, and you're watching the video or whatever you're currently doing. Then you click and leave comment. This is going to first a section that you want to leave the comment. And so once you do that, you can see immediately that it now gives this section at the bottom that says like you can stretch it out. So once you do that, you click the comment section, you can go ahead and you just stretch this out. And you can see immediately that it start to make a second arrow or a gap, as you can see, or let's say timestamp, and you can easily go ahead and comment. So for example, if I want to remove this, I can say, please remove this part as an example. And so you basically add the comment and you can just simple click on send. And that's it. So that's how you can really, let's say, comment the timestamp on Croc.io, guys. Very easy, very simple.